everyone, it's me Megz and I am back. Yes, I am back with a hair update. It's been forever and there is a reason why it's been forever. So let's go ahead and get into this update so I can fill you guys in on what's been going on with me and my hair journey. So you may be wondering, like, what took you so long to do a hair update? Girl, it was a lot going on with me, okay? It was so much going on, and also I was a little scared. Can I be real? I was a little scared because I could not figure out what was wrong with my hair. And if you've been like following me on my channel here through my recovery phase, I had a health related setback. Okay, I found out I was anemic back in 2022. And really quick, reflecting back on 2022, I noticed that the density of my hair had dramatically plummeted to the point where it was like a bit concerning, like, ooh, what's going on with me? And I was experiencing excessive shedding at the time and excessive breakage. My hair was breaking off faster than I was able to see retained length, right? And so during that time also, I noticed that I just wasn't feeling very well. Also at the time I was working a lot and I was incredibly stressed out. So those things don't help your health and your hair as well, because your health is related to your hair. So the end of 2022, I was just like, I don't really feel good. I'm gonna go get a physical done. And I got those readings back, y'all. And a lot of things made sense that I was able to put in perspective of what I needed to do to recover my hair. So with me being anemic, I got on a supplement. I started to take better care of myself and really start to implement my self-care again and improved my diet to improve my hair too. So my quality of life has improved as far as my health wise. And recently I just got a physical done and I'm no longer anemic. So with me no longer being anemic, I'm on iron supplements and my diet has improved. This is where my hair is now. Praise the Lord. I am so thankful and so happy that I was able to come up with a plan based off of my physical lab results. So if you're experiencing like excessive shedding, breakage, and just things that are unusual with your hair, definitely go get a physical because it could be health related. And when I tell you guys, my nutrition and my anemia took my hair through it. It was just like a scoop of hair. It was just, hair was damaged, hair was thin, hair was shedding out. Nothing was working. No conditioner was working. My normal routine that I know always works wasn't working at the time at all. So from 2022 up until now, I've been really babying my hair and keeping it in wigs and protective styles that don't require a lot of manipulation because my hair was so fragile. Any little comb, any little manipulation, it wanted to break. And I was noticing so many small pieces of hair from the comb to the floor in the shower in 2022 and early 2023. It was just a mess. And to be honest, I was scared. I didn't know if I wanted to chop all my hair off. I didn't know if I wanted to shave it off. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So with me getting that physical, it allowed me to come up with a plan, right? And a plan is always needed when you want to recover your hair. So the plan was for me to get my levels back up, right? Get those levels back up because with your low in hemoglobin and iron and proteins and things like that, your hair will look crazy. Your hair will look crazy and my hair looked crazy and I didn't feel good either, and that sucked. And I also noticed during that time my hair was red. It was starting to turn red, and that's how I knew there was trouble in paradise. There was trouble in hair care paradise because I was like, why is my hair red? And my hair naturally is a dark black rich color. I remember back in the day a lot of you guys were like, what dye are you using in your hair? Your hair is so dark. No, my hair is naturally very dark. And so as I've aged, I do have some gray hairs too. And I'm also wondering too, are some of these gray hairs due to my nutrient deficiencies that I have, because I have done some research where I'm like some gray hairs or excessive gray hair could be caused from vitamin deficiencies. So thankfully I am on supplements now to help with my anemia and all of those good things. And I noticed some areas of my hair are returning back to that dark rich black color. So my shedding has slowed down, y'all. I'm so excited about that. And what I decided to do, instead of continuing to get these trims and chops because it wasn't allowing me to retain any kind of length, what I decided to do was really take charge of my hair care recovery routine and be really strict with that, and also just let the hair grow out and dust in between trims, because what I was noticing during this time, I just kept chopping my hair, and I wasn't retaining any length during that time when my hair was very, very unhealthy, as far as it just wouldn't respond to anything. So I'm now out of that kind of like scary zone where I can kind of keep my length as far as what I have right now and just dust. So that's the plan. I'm not getting any more trims. I'm just going to continue dusting like I have until my hair actually gets to a certain point of fullness and length in order to kind of like really even everything out. So right now my hair is like kind of like in a choppy state still, but it is so much fuller. It's doing so much better, and like I want to cry right now because my hair hasn't looked like this in forever. I haven't been able to even wear it blow dried down. Like, this is so crazy, and I have to say I think my hair care routine that I've been doing is working really well, and the supplement using Geritol is really putting my hair back in its place, okay, as far as like the density, because that was the biggest concern of mine. Is like I lost so much density to my hair, and for it to look like this today, this is like a major improvement for me, judging based off how my hair looked like even last year. So I'm really taking this time to be patient with myself and just do my conditionings, and I really also started to implement protein back into my routine, because me, with my hair being this fragile, I needed to make sure I incorporated and balanced my protein and moisture, and so far it's been working really well. I've been very consistent for the past year doing my routine in order to get my hair back to this, y'all. Like, this is such an improvement for me. Literally last year, all of this was see-through. Like, I didn't even have this, y'all. So to see this, I'm like, wow, I can see, you know, I can forecast where my hair is headed, and so far it's stabilized. My hair is stabilized as far as breakage and shedding. I haven't experienced any excessive shedding since starting my Geritol. So I will say a lot of that has to do with the supplement and just really making sure that I keep my hair moisturized and put away. So what I've noticed with my hair when it goes through like a major setback, and my hair hasn't been this setback since 2008. Yes, it was really bad, because you know, throughout your hair journey you may run into a few hiccups and things that you're just like, they're easily fixable, and that's normal. But this was completely different, where I had to stop everything and just like reevaluate things. So last year my hair was completely see-through in the front and was so damaged and so short. So what I noticed with my hair when it's in recovery mode, the front always takes a bit longer to catch up to the back, and I'm not really putting too much pressure on myself to make sure that my hair is all one length. My main goals is just to make sure I'm keeping the health of my hair in order to start retaining length, because if my hair isn't healthy, it's going to look horrible if I try to retain length. And I'm finally at that point where I'm starting to retain the length, and I'm starting to just dust. So as my hair grows out, I'm just going to be dusting. I'm not going to get any more like major chops to my hair where I'm cutting inches off for the aesthetic of it being even, because in the past this was my game plan also that I did in the past. I just let it grow. Just let it grow and just dust every month. So that's what I've been doing, dusting my hair every month, and this is where my hair has been able to retain its length so far. So far things are working out very well. My shedding has slowed down, the breakage has slowed down, my hair is stabilized, and the darkness of my hair is starting to return. Now maybe you guys could tell me, I don't know if because I was so deficient in nutrients and things, if my gray hairs will revert eventually black, but I don't really think so, because I'm a woman of a particular age, and these gray hairs are just gray, okay? And I'm not gonna do anything to them and just let them be. Girl, it is what it is. And I'm gonna just let it be. I'm not gonna do a rant, so I don't want to do that, because my hair is already a bit fragile, and I don't want to put too much in my hair, being that I'm already relaxing my hair, right? So I am really happy with how my hair is coming along, and so many people are starting to see the difference with my hair also. Like, it's starting to look a little nostalgic over here. But do I have a little more ways to go? Yes, I have so much more to do to my hair and so much more to achieve. But this is actually a milestone for me, an achievement, if you will, for me, because girl, I couldn't even wear my hair down. My hair literally looked like a scoop of hair. And I already naturally have really fine hair, and so to go through such a setback, and it just looked horrible. You know, my hair looked horrible. So the fullness is starting to return. My hair is only blow dried right now, and I love that for me, how like it looks so full, it's flowy again. Because I notice as my hair, whenever my hair is like really unhealthy, it doesn't move. So for me, this is a good sign. Like, are we flowy? Are we moving? Yes, we are. Also with my hair, it's very choppy in the back, and that's why I'm deciding just to let it grow out. I'm just let it grow, let it grow. Kind of like similar to privacy bushes. You know, like when you first get privacy bushes. I know here in LA, it's a thing where you install your privacy bushes and just let them grow, let them grow, let them grow, and then you shape them. That's the plan that I have with my hair right now. So I have a lot of the back of my hair is like really choppy, so you can see like it's shorter up here, but I'm not really mad at it. I can eventually just let it grow out and then even it, or I can go get some long layers, which is another option that I'm thinking about. So I'm just gonna continue to dust this hair and just let it grow in like this. I'm not too concerned about my hair being even right now. It is a bit choppy in different areas of my hair, but my main concern right now is making sure that I recover this density, and she is coming in beautifully. Like, I could not be happier, girl. Like, look at this. Yes, we have some work to do, but the work that we have been doing has been doing what it needs to do, girl. So I'm super excited. Like, this is so crazy to like really see my hair improve, because I was so scared last year, y'all. I was so scared. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what was wrong. I didn't know if I want to chop all my hair off. I just didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what to do. Okay, I didn't know what to do. And I'm so thankful that I got that physical done and changed everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to let the front of my hair catch up. And I know, like back in 2008 when I first had my very first journey, the front always takes a little bit longer for it to catch up. So what I plan to do is continuing to do those scalp massages with the Jamaican black castor oil, because that works so well for me. And just do those scalp massages once a week and then build upon my routine as my hair improves. But so far, y'all, so good, because this is the first time that I've been able to like confidently wear my hair down. Like, this is crazy. Like, it's starting to look a little familiar. Like, I'm loving it so far. So yeah, y'all, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me. But I definitely wanted to come on here and update you guys with my hair. And I'm doing a lot better. I'm feeling a lot better. I'm much healthier. I'm no longer anemic. So I'm really excited to see what this year in hair care takes me as far as my routine and my hair care recovery. And I'm just really excited to be getting some density back. Like, praise the Lord, because, you know, us fine sisters, it's really hard for us to get a full look with our hair. So I'm really excited to see where my hair grows within this year. So I'm just really thankful. I'm much happier, much healthier, and I'm so excited to share more videos here with you guys as far as what I'm doing to recover this hair. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll see you guys next time.